We in the service department, we want to improve our communication processes. And therefore we have a project today which is called Remote Diagnosis. A remote diagnosis tool enables us to support a customer with a kind of video chat function that we can help the customer immediately. Usually he would call us when he deals with a problem on site with his machine, but today with the remote diagnosis tool we have the possibility to contact him and just help him with the video tool. We just need the telephone number of the customer. We use this telephone number to send the SMS to the customer. In this SMS he receives a link. When he pushes on the link, there's automatically a live video and audio transmission. And when the customer is filming, we can see it live in the back office of our service. So we can support him directly with this video tool. We can make some screenshots and we can from both sides edit these screenshots with some notes and with some signs. And I think that helps us to solve the problem directly. Both sides benefits. The customer can be helped directly from us, and we, Kärcher, we can increase customer satisfaction.
Kärcher makes a difference.